President, the Commander-in-Chief, Corporate President, the fighters, the buses are waiting. Amanda! 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 FIFA, EFF, FIFA! FIFA, EFF, FIFA! Tata, EFF, Tata! Tata, EFF, Tata! Down with Ramaphosa, down! Down with Ramaphosa, down! Down with ANC, down! Down with DA, down! Fusek, Helensile, Fusek! Fusek, Helensile, Fusek! Mandla! Sabama SG, thank you very much. Our National Chairperson, DSG, TG, our Central Command team members who are here. They did not come, all of them, because we don't have time. It might rain at any time, and we don't want you to be affected by rain. There's also leaders of provinces who are here. I see the chairperson of Northern Cape, secretary of Northwest, secretary of Free State. I saw the chairperson of Limpopo, and the chairperson of Mpumalanga said he brought people from Mpumalanga. We are very happy, comrades, that you are here. And all of you from different provinces, the sub-regional leaders of the EFF and the ground forces of the EFF, I want to specially salute and congratulate all the sub-regional leaders who are elected to lead the EFF on the ground. Comrades, you have all passed the test. This is an evidence that the sub-regional structures can work the ground, and the EFF will become government in all the sub-regions and metros here in Gauteng. We are very happy with our structures. The provincial leaders, the chairperson spoke on our behalf here. They led from the front, working with the Secretary General. Today, le prouve que EFF is here to stay. The EFF will not go anywhere. Barata, barate. The EFF is the organization